Okay, welcome to this video walkthrough of a Mission Hill, Jamaica Plain, 1-bedroom, front facing, always a nice feature to have. As soon as you walk in, we have these closets over to the left, sliding closet, okay. And we have the bathroom, all right, all your basics, sink, vanity, standing shower, tub combo, your toilet, okay. We have the bedroom right over here, a little bit of exposed brick, not bad. And a window facing the that area in the back, in the rear. More closets over here, sliding doors again. And into the living room. And again, really nice to have these bay windows and facing the front of the building, okay. Allows for plenty of sunlight. We do have a smallish kitchen, plenty of cabinets though. Electric stove, counter space, sink, fridge, okay. Heat and hot water are included. There's laundry in the basement. And if you'd like more info, feel free to reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.